hoes. You know, they fly, they got
Say la, shalom, Yahweh, kings.
praying to the Lord for the Lord. Let a nigga talk, send his ass to God. I been going hard, my bitch doing fraud. Come here, bitch, you so thick, say to her like Rod. Hey, and I brought a pat down, nigga, bring your pat down. Nigga, turn that beat down, boy, the trap super loud. Blowing like a motherfucker fan, like a fan. Let a nigga play, I send his ass to the man.
Stepping high, stacking that shit smoother, let's get physical. I'm really making hundreds, them shit blue. Murder that she wrote, really making bands. Feeling good, yeah, I'm on that road. She really love me and she call me daddy. Know that ain't no joke. Boot it up, I'm really turned up soft stuff. Look a camel toe. I remember days stucking in that caddy. Boy, you ain't know. I know you heard my name. Know I'm gangsta, put that in your nose. She sucked me with a throat. Got that snot coming all out her nose.
Praying to the Lord for the Lord. Let a nigga talk, send his ass to God. I been going hard, my bitch doing fraud. Come here, bitch, you so thick, say to her like Rod. Hey, and I brought a pat down, nigga, bring your pat down. Nigga, turn that beat down, boy, the trap super loud. Blowing like a motherfucker fan, like a fan. Let a nigga play, I send his ass to the man. Wake up in the morning, I glide my Glock, I'm on the road. I got tired of my new hoes, they getting old. He show his old to them folk, boy, hell no. And I say he in the hood where he can't go. Big at 40 with a drum, put my team on. This bitch so fine, she a red bitch, she suck a thumb. I take her ass home, my dope be Caucasian. My bitch, she blood blazing, my bitch, she from Jamaica. Hold on, hold up, oh, you want a thug? I'm posted on the blog, what them boys can't afford. And I got a 4-5, that bitch be making noise. Niggas say they want that smoke, send his ass to God. Praying to the Lord, chopper making noise.
Give me that like.
Hey, yo, niggas just get creepy, you know what I'm saying? I'm protected by weapons, but I'm protected by blessing at the same time, you hear me? Yo, bitch ass nigga. Yo, all that, yo, all that. Yo, I need all that.
BLK, dark side, this shit still.
Yo, praying to the Lord for the Lord. Let a nigga talk, send his ass to God. I been going hard, my bitch doing fraud. Come here, bitch, you so thick, say to her like Rod. Hey, and I brought a pat down, nigga, bring your pat down. Nigga, turn that beat down, boy, the trap super loud. Blowing like a motherfucker fan, like a fan. Let a nigga play, I send his ass to the man.
Say la, shalom, king. GG.